Sometimes you just gotta unplug, which I know doesn't make sense coming from someone who sells shirts that say never log off. But it's nice to walk around in nature. It's like right when I started talking, a cicada stopped talking. Even on the most barren landscape, I managed to find 2 people on horseback. They told me, go to the end of the road and then turn right. It's a more popular spot where there's some water and some rocks. I'm really out here in the middle of nowhere by myself. I just wanted to unplug, but here I am talking to a cell phone. My only friend. Not really. Friends are illusions. Beautiful illusions. Ones I really believe in. But I feel like I've been neglecting recently. Sadness will do that to you if you let it. I don't want it to take control of me all the time, though. Most of the time, no, though. That could get kind of dangerous. But as I'm squishing away on the ground here, I see some dog footprints, some human ones, some horse ones. Weirdly, it feels like we're out in the middle of nowhere, but I hear sounds of suburbia in the form of a plane currently going above my head at a rapid rate. And all I can smell right now is horse crap. My feet are slipping. But yeah, unplug. That doesn't necessarily mean you need to literally unplug your phones, you know. It's good to have it just in case of emergency or whatever. But I think I'm talking more about just getting away from the way things are or seem to be in your current state, whatever that may be. If you're needing something a little extra to throw into your patterned lifestyle. I know I do sometimes. A lot, actually. A lot of times I can get really deep inside of my head, which is also an illusion, but I fall for that one a lot. But just walking around and not necessarily knowing where I'm going, where the end will be, it feels good. I think that's how I would define unplug. Getting away from your patterns, even if those patterns seem beneficial to you. Just once in a while stepping away from the canvas, see how the painting's going. And you may walk back and be like, damn, that's the most beautiful painting I've ever made. Or you may step away and be like, I'm trashing this crap. This is not worth my time, it's not worth anyone's time. My feet are just covered in mud. I don't like getting dirty, but again, stepping outside of the comfort zones. I feel like I'm being watched by all kinds of animals and creatures right now. But kind of wondering. I hope they're enjoying the show.